While we eagerly await the official specifications of the DJI Mavic 4, or even a teaser on a web shop, an intriguing tip from my friend Maro Tandoy led me straight to TikTok. Maro spotted someone sharing what seemed to be sample pictures taken with the Mavic 4 Pro. A big shout out to Maro for the heads up. Let's dive into these images, and stay tuned as I also reveal screenshots showcasing the impressive zoom capabilities of this much anticipated drone. Unveiling the Mavic 4 Pro's zoom magic. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a 2.5x zoom factor, a spec that makes it truly stand out. In fact, this detail is unmistakable in the first screen recording I came across. But that's just the beginning. For an extra surprise, proof from Yaya hints that the DJI Mavic 4 might zoom up to 24x. While we can't confirm the exact line between optical and digital zoom yet, the quality showcased in these recordings rivals the excellence of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Better camera, unbelievable zoom quality. From the leaked footage, it's evident that the new camera elevates zoom quality to a whole new level. This could redefine aerial photography for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The countdown to release, end of April or June? Here's where it gets even more interesting. Rumors suggest the launch of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro might be postponed to mid-June. However, it's possible this date reflects a deadline tied to FCC regulations, which require details to remain confidential until then. My reliable source, however, insists we can expect a teaser or even an official launch in the last week of April. Fingers crossed. Stay tuned as we follow every update on this revolutionary drone. And don't forget to share your thoughts. Are you as excited for the Mavic 4 Pro as we are?